Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be working on a Mitsubishi Carisma rear wiper motor. Uh, the rear wiper is not working, so I'm just going to be replacing the wiper motor. So there you go guys, I've managed to get one from eBay for under £15. So I'm just going to replace the faulty one with this one here. Okay, just going to crack on with it now. In order to get to the wiper motor, I need to take these covers off. So there's one screw here, Phillips. There's another one here, second one. There's a third one here under this. Just going to take this cover off underneath. Third one, and the fourth one is here. Okay, that's your 4 screws there, Phillips ones. And then there's one screw here under there, just that where my finger is, and then there's another one here. So if you take all these out, then you'll be able to pull it out easily. So I'm just gonna crack on with it now. So there you go guys, just gonna do this one first. Okay, that's one done. There you go guys. That's the second one off. Okay, the third one here. And then the fourth one is here. Okay, and then the fifth one is here. And the last one in here. Okay guys. Okay, just gonna take this cover off. There you go guys, I've taken the cover off now. Okay, now I'm just gonna dismantle the wiper arm. It's 13mm nut. Just gonna undo it now. Okay, that's that off. Okay, so that's that out of the way. So now there are 3 bolts here, 10mm bolts. So that's what I need to take off now. Okay guys, there you go. Okay, that's one. That's number 2. Okay, there you go. And that's number 3 there. Okay guys, that's your 3 bolts taken off. In order to take the wiper motor off, I'm just gonna disconnect the connector just like that. Pull the wiper motor off. That's my wiper motor disconnected, the old one. So I'm just gonna replace the faulty one with this new one here. Okay guys. Okay, this is our new wiper. This is our second-hand wiper, rear wiper motor. Just gonna put this one on. Okay guys. There you go. Just simple as that. Just push it all the way in. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. Okay, just gonna connect the harness. There you go. That's your harness all nicely clipped in. Okay, that's that done. So I'm gonna that's one done. Okay, just gonna secure this one down. Okay, that's that done. So now I've secured the wiper motor. Okay. That's your wiper motor in place. And now I'm just gonna put the wiper arm back into its place. Okay. Okay, that's that nicely secured. And now I'm just gonna put the panel back where it was, and that's the job done. So I'm just gonna crack on with it now. Just Okay friends, now that I've secured this bolt, this screw here, and I'm just gonna do these two, sorry, not this one here, this one, that one, and that one there, and that's it guys, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video. Just gonna put the covers back to its place. Okay, last one, last two, last three, and this is the fourth one. Okay, there you go guys, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.